Today's topic is clinical research. Clinical research is a branch of healthcare science that determines the safety and efficacy of medications, devices, diagnostic products, and treatment regimens intended for human use. These may be used for prevention, treatment, diagnosis, or for relieving symptoms of a disease. Clinical research is different from clinical practice. In clinical practice, established treatment are used, while in clinical research, evidence is collected to establish a treatment. Then the term clinical research refer to the entire biological of the drug device biologic. In fact, any test articles for its inceptions in the lab to its introductions to the consumer market and beyond. Once the promising candidate or the molecules is the identified in the lab, it is subjected to preclinical studies or animal studies where different aspects of the test articles. In the United States, when a test article is unapproved or not it clearly by the Food and Drug Administration, or when an approved or a cleared test articles is used in a way that may significantly increase the risk, the data obtained from the preclinical study or other supporting evidence, case study of the label use, etc., are submitted in support of an investigational new drug applications to FDA for review prior to conducting studies that involve even one human and test articles. If the results are intended to be submitted to or held for inspections by the FDA at any time in the future, if intended to submit or hold for inspections for the FDA in support of the change in labeling or advertising where devices are concerned, the submission to the FDA would be an investigational device exemption application if the device is a significant risk device or is not in some way exempt from prior submission to the FDA. In addition, clinical research may require institutional review board and research ethics board and possibly other institutional committee reviews, privacy board, conflict of interest committee, radiation safety committee, radioactive drug research committee, etc., and approval whether or not the research requires prior submission to the FDA. Clinical research review criteria will depend on which federal regulations the research is subject. Department of the Health and Human Services, federally funded. FDA as already discussed and will depend on which regulations the institution subscribe to. In addition to any more stringent criteria added by the institution, possibly in response to state or local laws, policies, or accreditation entity recommendations. This additional layer of review is critical to the protections of human subjects, especially when you consider that often research subject to the FDA regulations for prior submissions is allowed to the proceed by those same FDA regulations 13 days after submission to the FDA unless specially notified by the FDA not to initiate the study. Clinical research is often conducted at academic, medical centers, and affiliated research study sites.